There's something timeless about a home filled with natural light. It makes rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more connected to the outdoors. For homeowners in Loves Park, Illinois, one of the best ways to achieve this bright and airy atmosphere is by installing picture windows. Unlike traditional windows that open and close, picture windows are fixed panes of glass designed to frame outdoor views and allow maximum sunlight to enter your home. From cozy living rooms to open-concept kitchens, these expansive windows can transform your space both visually and functionally, enhancing comfort, energy efficiency, and overall home appeal. Flooding your home with natural light. The main reason Loves Park homeowners love picture windows is simple. They let in more light than almost any other window style. Because these windows don't have grids or moving parts, their wide, unobstructed glass surface captures sunlight from morning to evening. In rooms that feel dark or enclosed, installing a picture window can make a dramatic difference. Natural light not only brightens your space but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy and improving your home's overall ambiance. Sunlight has also been shown to improve mood and productivity, creating a more uplifting environment for work, relaxation, or family time. Whether you're watching the snow fall in winter or enjoying the colors of a summer sunset, picture windows make every view part of your home's design. Creating the illusion of more space. Homes in Loves Park often feature traditional layouts, but not every room benefits from large openings or abundant light. Picture windows can help solve that. Their expansive glass panels draw the eye outward, making interiors appear larger and more open. By blending indoor and outdoor environments, they create a sense of spaciousness that's ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or stairwells. When strategically placed, picture windows can even serve as architectural focal points, framing views of gardens, backyards, or tree-lined streets, enhancing both comfort and visual appeal. Energy efficiency meets year-round comfort. Some homeowners worry that large windows might make their homes too cold in winter or too warm in summer. But today's energy-efficient picture windows are built to perform beautifully in every season. Modern designs feature low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back into your home during winter and block excess heat in summer. Double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gases like argon to minimize heat transfer. Durable, insulated frames that resist condensation and prevent air leaks. For Loves Park's cold winters and humid summers, these features mean consistent indoor comfort and lower energy bills year-round. You'll enjoy the sunlight without sacrificing efficiency or increasing HVAC use. Durability and low-maintenance picture windows have fewer moving parts than other window types, which means less maintenance and longer life. There are no hinges or sliding tracks to clean, and their solid construction makes them highly durable against the Midwest's unpredictable weather, from freezing winds to heavy summer rain. Most modern frames are made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, which resist warping, rotting, and fading. With just occasional cleaning, your picture windows will continue to look beautiful and perform efficiently for decades. Adding value and style to your home beyond functionality, picture windows offer undeniable aesthetic appeal. Their clean lines and panoramic glass design give homes a modern, high-end look that complements any architectural style, from mid-century ranches to contemporary builds. Because they enhance both curb appeal and interior brightness, picture windows also increase home value. Potential buyers in Loves Park often look for homes that feel open and full of natural light, making this upgrade a smart investment in long-term comfort and resale potential. Final thoughts for homeowners in Loves Park: picture windows are more than just an elegant design choice, they're a lifestyle upgrade. These windows flood your home with natural light, create a sense of openness, and provide year-round comfort thanks to advanced energy-efficient materials. Whether you're updating a single room or reimagining your entire home, professional window installation ensures your new picture windows are perfectly sealed, durable, and built to last. With this upgrade, you'll enjoy brighter days, clearer views, and a more welcoming home every season of the year.